Hello boys and girls, hello mommies and daddies. Welcome to the very first episode of Baking with Daddy Henry. My name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
My name is Emma, and he's our daddy.
That's me. Now Charlie, tell everyone where we are today.
Welcome back.
That's right. Now welcome back. Welcome bake. And what are we here for?
Baking cake.
That's right. We are going to be baking a lemon glaze cake. And also you will hopefully be here on May 8th and make a lemon glaze cake with us. Now, the first step of making our lemon glaze cake is in this bowl. What's in here, Charlie?
Cream.
And?
Butter.
That's right, cream and butter. Now, what is the difference between cream and butter? Well, cream is the liquid part. Butter is the solid part. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to melt them. Now, how do we melt them?
Microwaving them.
Yes, that's right. We are going to be putting them in the microwave oven, okay? So let's get started.
Remember to hold the sides because the center is hot.
Okay, we are back from the microwave oven from melting the cream and the butter. Now, obviously, when we get back, you could do a little mixing to make sure that the cream and butter are mixed together. And that's what we're going to be doing a lot today. Everyone, please say mix.
Mix.
Mix. Mix.
As you can see that while you're coming in, that the batter is being mixed together as well. Everyone, please say batter.
Batter. Batter.
Yeah, a good way to remember is the same as a baseball batter. Yeah, batter. Okay, so we'll give it a minute. Wait for the batter to get here, and then we could start doing lots and lots of mixing. Okay, over here is the batter that just came out of the electric mixer. Now, don't worry, we will be doing plenty of mixing today. Now, the first step that we're going to do is we are going to pour in the lemon juice into the batter and then mix until we can no longer see the juice anymore. And this is what we're going to use to do most of our mixing today. This is a spatula. Everyone, please say spatula.
Spatula. Spatula.
Okay, who would like to hold the spatula and take on mixing the lemon juice in the batter?
Me.
Here you go. Hold the spatula. Now, Charlie, would you please pour the lemon juice into the batter? Okay, now remember, Emma, we are going to make big circles and little circles. Okay, here we go. Okay, keep going, okay. Big circles, little circles like this. Now, mommies and daddies, boys and girls, you don't want to mix too hard, okay? If you mix too hard, it will turn when the cake comes out, it will be very hard and very thin. So if you want your cake to be nice and fluffy, take it easy when you're making circles mixing, okay? Yes, I think Emma's doing a really good job taking it easy. Little circles, big circles. You did this last week, right, Charlie? Show everybody. Little circles, big circles. Good. Is the juice gone? Yes, it's gone. Now, this here is the lemon zest. You say lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
That's right. Lemon zest is the skin of the lemon. Okay, so this is to add some flavor. Here you go. Big circle, little circle. Keep going. Big circle, little circle. All right. Now, the next step, here we have the flour. Everyone say flour.
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 Very good. Now we're going to put half of the flour in first and mix until you can't see the powder anymore. And then we're going to do that again. So half now, half later. Your turn, half. Oh, just half. Here we go. Big circles, little circles. Now you can't see the powder anymore. There you go. Big circle. Remember, not too hard. If you want your cake to come out nice and fluffy, okay, not thin and hard, make sure you are mixing gently, softly, not too hard. Okay, boys and girls, especially you are very busy little boys out there. Big circle, little circle. Be nice with the spatula. Be nice. Okay? Circles, Charlie, circles. Mix, mix, mix. Are you going the same?
Yeah.
No, that's another direction. You just turn the direction. Yes. Same direction, same. 2 spatulas. I think I'm being a little too gentle.
Just flap it in.
Flap it in? Okay. Same direction, this way? Remember which direction you're going. So now we pour some of the batter into the cream and butter mix. And we're mixing some more. Now, Charlie, what would you describe this process? How would you describe it?
Smoothing.
Soothing. Soothing. It relieves stress, okay? You know what that is and what is it in Chinese?
疗愈.
Yeah, 疗愈. Okay, so it's very soothing. Oh. Charlie, wait, hold on. Is she going the right direction?
Yes.
Okay.
Too hard.
Slowly, slowly. Remember, soothing. Everyone say soothing.
Soothing.
Soothing. Okay. Eddie said it's okay. Then we're ready to put this into the mold. Everyone, please say mold.
Mold. Mold.
Once we put it in the mold, then we're ready for some baking. What do we use to bake?
An oven.
An oven, that's right.
The parents has to do this part.
The parents have to do this part? Oh, yes, very soothing.
Okay.
So, what's the next step, Charlie?
Putting the mixture into the oven.
That's right, we're going to take the batter and put it in the oven so we could bake our lemon glaze cake. Here we go, oven time, baking time. So we are now baking our cake and it's waiting for us in the oven. How long is it gonna take for us to bake our cake, Charlie?
30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes. So Emma, you got any good ideas of what we could do for the next 30 minutes? Oh yeah, sure, yeah. We could measure some sugar powder with our kitchen scale. How much sugar powder do we need?
80.
80 grams. Okay, let's get started. Let's play a game. Why don't we do this? Let's take turns and see who's gonna actually get to 80 grams. How's that? All right, Emma, you could turn it on. Since you're so good at everything, you go first. 80, Emma, that's a lot. If you go over, you lose, okay?
Is only a
16.5.
27.
27.7.
I think it's just gotta add like the front number.
45.0. We're almost halfway there. 80. Well, more than halfway there. My math is not so good.
I want to win.
You always want to win. No, you want to lose. 53 points. Come on. Give it to me. 62.8.
Charlie.
80, right? 80. If you go over, you lose. Are you sure? Okay, 62.8. 75.5.
I'm doing this. I don't want to add too much.
If you go over, you lose.
Someone's definitely gonna lose. What?
79.0.
What?
Add a lot.
One drip.
79.4.
What?
That's crazy. Very careful.
You're gonna go over. You're gonna go over. You're gonna go over. You're gonna go over. It's 80.1. Yay! Charlie loses.
What? But there's only
80.2.
No, it doesn't have to be like perfect 8.
Don't worry. Well, we will be playing other games. Okay, this is a little silly. Just killing time until our cake is ready. So, Charlie, what is the name of our cake?
lemon glaze cake.
That's right, and now it's time for us to make the glaze. Now, this is the sugar powder that we just measured on our food scale, our kitchen scale. How many grams?
80.
That's right, and who lost?
Charlie.
Sorry. You went over by 0.2, okay? And this here is our lemon juice. We're going to put the lemon juice in the sugar powder, mix some more. That's right, I told you we will be doing a lot of mixing today. This is probably the last one, but to make our glaze, okay? Now, Charlie, you want to do the mixing this time, right? Here you go, Emma. Take it away, mix. I don't think you have to follow the same direction now, but it probably would be nice. Let's just keep it consistent, you know? It's good to have some consistency in life. Yay! Here is our cake straight out of the oven. Now for the final few steps of finishing up our lemon glaze cake. Emma, would you please do the honor of pouring as I evenly spread the glaze on the cake? I think you're pouring a little too quickly, Emma.
I'm doing it very gently.
But
Fill the gaps up.
Yeah, you gotta do it evenly. Once again, this is so soothing. Wow, that looks nice, right? All right, Charlie, your turn. Again, this is from the lemon zest. Do what you will. It's up to you. Be creative. Lemon zest. Ta-da! Our lemon zest, lemon glaze cake. And for the final touch, this is for you, children. This is some chocolate syrup that you could put on the top of your cake. Maybe you like to write your name, maybe you want to draw a happy face. It's all up to you. So should we leave this up to Emma?
We're gonna do it together.
Okay, you do something, you do something. Here we go. Be creative. Do whatever that makes you happy. You can say, this is my cake. Yes. Oh, look. Happy face. Nice. Okay. Charlie.
Oh.
No. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Not done yet. Oh.
Oh. Okay. It's gonna be too sweet, Charlie. Ta-da! Our lemon glaze cake. Now, we can't wait to see you here and make one of these yourself on May 8th. Thank you very much for watching. One more time, thank you for Welcome Bake for having us here. Thank you, Eddie. My name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
My name is Emma.
And he's our dad.
And that's our lemon glaze cake. See you on May 8th. Bye. Nice, huh? Can we eat this
Nope.
now?
No, you have to put it in the
No.
freezer.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm not done yet.
Mm.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, let her do a little bit.
Nope.
I just have to do a little